Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our first PU Computer Science online classes. As we know that we are in the chapter data representation and we already completed some important topic from data representation. Maybe the topics like types of number system, positional and non-positional number system, and later we completed some of the number conversion of all types, and in last class we already know how to convert, that is from decimal number to the binary number. Let's in today's class we are going to convert some other conversion. Now the topic is the decimal fraction to binary conversion. Okay, kya? In last class whatever we completed, that is the topic. The topic is the decimal to binary conversion. As we know that many steps are there, and based on the steps we are going to complete such a decimal to the binary conversion. Now in today's class the topic name is the decimal fraction. Okay, the decimal fraction and going to convert to the binary conversion. As we know that the decimal base value is 10, correct? No, decimal base or the radix of the decimal number is 10 here, and the binary conversion or binary number system, the radix or base of the binary number system is the 2. Correct in this case? Okay, now that's how we are going to convert. So like that only, here also some of these steps are there. So what are the steps we need to follow while going to complete the conversion, that is from the decimal fraction to the binary conversion? The first of all, the step 1, multiply the given decimal fraction by 2. Clear this point here? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using the number 2 here. Clear this point here? So the step 1 we can say that here, that means whatever the given number is there, such a decimal fraction going to multiply by 2, and later next one, note the carry and the product. Clear this point? You have to make the multiplication by using the column product, and whatever the remaining, that is called as the carry. Clear this one here? Is that we need to write in our carry columns here. So this is the first step. Clear this part? And later next one you have to repeat again and again this step 1. So what's this step 1? This step 1 is the multiply by 2. Correct? No, whatever the decimal fraction question number is that, such one need to multiply by 2 and note the carry and the product here. So this is about the step 1. So we need to repeat this step 1 again and again until the fractional product becomes 0. Clear this point here? ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು until the product value that is equal to the value 0 here. And the step 3 we can say that the first carry will be the MSB. Okay, whatever the carry we will get while going to make the multiply by 2 by using this number here, whatever the carry we will get, such one is called as the first carry will be the our MSB, and the last carry is called as the LSB. As we know that how we are going to write, we are going to write from left to the right, that is equal to the MSB to the LSB. So clear this one? Now we are going to solve this question here. So as we know that the question is the 0.3125. okay here? So this is the question, and I already used some of the columns. First of all, the first column name is the multiply by 2. As we know that, note the carry as well as the product. So the second column name is the carry, and third column name is called as the product. Okay, and later now such question is there, I am going to multiply by 2. Clear this one? 0.3125 into 2 here. Now you have to make the multiplication. 2 5s are 10. Correct no here? So 1 is the carry, 2 5s are 10. So 1 is the carry, 2 2s are 4. Now plus 1, that is equal to 5. 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Clear this point here? 2 3s are 6. That means no any carry. The carry that is equal to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ? ಸೊ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 0.3125 into 2 multiply by 2 here, and after the multiplication when you are going to multiply, the value will get as the 0.6250. Okay, that means here no any carry. If you get maybe the 10 value, that means sure here we are going to write a 0 and 1 we need to write by using the column carry column. Clear this one? But here no any carry, so 0.6250. So the carry value is the 0. Clear this one? And later next one, the second step, that means 0.625. Now I am not going to use this 0 because here no any value for the 0. Correct? No? So while going to make the multiplication, now just I am going to use the result of the product, first result here 0.6250. So while going to take, I will take the value is the 0.625 only. Clear this one? I am not going to take the value 0, no value for the value 0 here. So now again you have to make the multiplication by 2. As we know that the first step, that means take the decimal number and multiply by 2 here, note the carry and the product, and again you have to make the repetition of the step 1. Correct? No? Again and again till the fractional product becomes 0. So now the second multiplication by taking the result of the product column. Okay, so 2 5s are 10 here. So 2 5s are 10 means 1 is carry. 2 2s are 4. Now plus 1, that is equal to 5. 6 2s are, or 2 6 are, the value is the 12. Correct? No, here the value is the 12 in this case. That means such 1 we need to write in the carry column and 0 we need to use in our product column. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ? ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 2 5s are 10 ಬಂತು, so 1 is carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5 here, and 2 6 are 12, that means then we need to write 2 here. Correct? No? And 1 is the remaining, that is called as the carry. So 0 I need to write here. So clear? So this is the rules we need to follow while going to make the decimal fraction. Clear this one? To binary conversion. Now like that only, as we know that here we'll get the carry as the 1. Now later again, because we know that we need to make the multiplication by 2 until the product fractional, that means the fractional product becomes 0. Correct? No? And later next one, the next step, I am going to take the value 0.25. As we know that like our last step, I am not going to take the value 0. Okay? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನೋ? ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎ ಲೆಂಥಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ that no value for 0 here. So just only I have to take the value 0.625. Okay? And later next one, now here also the same thing. I am going to use 0.25 and also we need to multiply by 2. Correct? No? Now multiply by 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Now later next one, 2 5s are 10. Correct? Yeah? 1 is carry. 2 5s are 10. 1 is carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Clear this point here? And later next one, that means after that no any value to make the multiplication with 2 or by 2 here. So here we can say that 0. Clear this point here? The 0. So here I am writing as the value 0. Maybe if any remainder, maybe if you are getting the value 10 while going to make the multiplication by 2, maybe the value is 10, then sure 0 here we are going to write, and 1 need to write in our carry column. Correct? No? But here no any remainder, no any carry part in this case, so 0, and later no any value, so carry value that is equal to 0. And later next one, now also we can say that the product column is not equal to 0. Correct? No? Now also some value is there in our product column, so 0.5. Clear this one? into 2. Clear? In this case here also I am not going to take the value 0. Now 2 5s are 10, as we know that 10, that is 1 is carry, correct? No, 2 5s are 10, later words no any value is there, so 0 point, and later next one the 1. Clear this one? 2 5s are 10, so 0 I return here, and now 1 I am going to write in our carry column here 0.0. Now later words, is it possible to do the multiplication by 2? 0.0 into 2, is it possible? As we know that when you are going to multiply by 2 by taking the result of the product column is 0.0. That means here we need to make the multiplication until the product fractional or fractional product becomes 0. Correct no kya? So ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ 0 ಆಗುವವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Now this is the carry, as we know that step 1, that means the decimal fraction multiply by 2. Correct no? Decimal fraction multiply by 2 here. Note carry and the product here. Repeat the step again and again. Whatever the step is there in step 1, such one we need to repeat again and again until the fractional product becomes 0. Correct no kya? Product becomes 0. And the third most important step is the first carry is called as the MSB. Clear this one? The first carry is called as the MSB and the last carry is called as the LSB. Clear this point here? The first one is called as the first carry, called as the MSB, and last one is called as the LSB. And we know that how to write the result of the decimal fraction to binary conversion. The result need to write from left to right, that is equal to MSB to the LSB. ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತೇವೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, MSB. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ that is equal to MSB. क्या right most bit that is equal to LSB. Clear this point? So now such a result we need to write as the, so what's the result? The result is the, that is our, here we can say that the result is the 0 1 0 1. Correct no? 0 1 0 1, and we are going to convert to binary conversion. So we need to write the base value of binary. Okay क्या? And as we know that here decimal fraction is there, so we need to write the value decimal fraction. So this is the answer. So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೇನು? So the answer we can say that here 0.3125 base of 10 decimal fraction, and when you are going to convert to binary conversion, the answer of 0.3125 answer is the 0.0101. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಗೊಂಡದ್ದು? ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇಂದ 0101. Clear this point here? So as we know that MSB, we are going to write from the MSB to the LSB. So 0101. So this is the answer of our decimal fraction to binary conversion. So clear this point here? Okay. So here we can say that just only one program, one problem, it's enough for our decimal fraction to the binary conversion. Now we'll go for the conversion of the next conversion. That is the topic. The topic is the ಬೈನರಿ ಟು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬೈನರಿಗೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬೈನರಿಗೆ. Second conversion, decimal fraction to the binary conversion. Now we know that how we are going to move, how to get the result of the decimal fraction to the binary conversion. Now this is our third conversion. The third conversion name is called as the binary to decimal conversion. Okay, binary to the decimal conversion. As we know that here how to make the conversion. So here also we need to follow some of the important steps here. So the steps we can say that multiply the each bit of binary number by its positional weight. Clear this one? Multiply, this is the bit, correct no? As we know that binary digit values are 0 and 1. Binary digits value are 0 and 1. So multiply each bit of binary number by its positional weight. So now first of all we'll write the question. So the question 10100, okay, so 10 and 100 here, 11 and fractional 110. So this is the question. As we know that the question, consider the binary number, that means 101011 fractional 110 here. So convert 2 from binary to the decimal conversion. Now it's there in the binary, okay, we need to convert to the decimal. As we know that the base value of the decimal, that is equal to 10 and the digits from 0 to 9. Correct na? Namge decimal ella octal number ella number system idu base value namge gottide, yakandre decimal idu base value 10, binary number base value 2, octal number base value 8, hexadecimal number system base value is the 16. Correct no kya? So now such one going to convert this step 1. What's the step 1? That means multiply the each bit of binary number by its positional weight. Okay, what's the position value of the binary number system? The position or the positional value of the binary number system is 2. Correct no? So here we need to write 2 to the power of 0. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಲೇಟರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ we need to we start to give the position value for the positive number. So I want to start here. First number 2 to the power of 0. Later next one 2 to the power of 1. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ position value 1 ಗೆ, 0 ಗೆ position value 2 to the power of 2. Clear this one? And for 0 the next value 2 to the power of 3. So 1 2 to the power of 0. This one 2 to the power of 1 0, 2 to the power of 2 0, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4 here, okay, and 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6 in this case here. So clear this point here, 6. And later next one, after providing positional value to each bit of the binary number, now let's later words after the fractional we know that how we need to give the positional value. 2 to the power of minus 1 and 2 to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of minus 3. Clear this part here? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 ಏನು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಈಚ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ positional weight. Okay kya? And later add all the products in this case. So this is just only 2 very simple steps are that while going to make the conversion from binary to the decimal conversion. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, now positional value ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now just after that I am going to represent this value as the 1 into ಈ value ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ 1 into 2 to the power of 6. Clear this one here? So now I will move one by one here after providing some positional value to each bit of the binary number, and 0 into 2 to the power of 5. Okay here? And plus and 1 into 2 to the power of 4 here, plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3, plus 0 into 2 to the power of 2, and plus here 0 into and later next one. So 1 into 2 to the power of 6 here. So 0 into 2 to the power of 5. Later next one 1 into 2 to the power of 4. And later 0 into 2 to the power of 3 here. 0 into 2 to the power of 2. And later next one 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Correct no? So that means till where we completed positive number in a fractional point. Now represent ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now just the remaining part. Correct no? Here after the fractional, after the dot, whatever the value is there I am going to write. So I am writing as the 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Next value is the plus, that means 1 into 2 to the power of minus 2 plus here 0 into 2 to the power of minus 3. Clear this one here? So all these are the representation. That means whatever the the values are there which can be represented as, I already provided the representation of this binary number, correct no kya? And later next one 1 into, so here we can say that here, so when you are going to calculate, in this case 6 times we need to make the multiplication. So when you are going to calculate 6 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so 1 2 3 4, okay, and later 5, and later next one is this 6. So istu multiply maduvaga yakandre 2 to the power of 6 ide, correct no? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 aga maduvaga namge gottide yavaga ನಾವು multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ 64. Clear this point here? The value is the 64 here. So directly I am going to write the value. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಈ 64 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? 6 times 2 ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clear this one? And later next one 0 into, now how many times we need to make the multiplication? That means when you are going to multiply, the value will get as the 32. Clear this one? So ಎಷ್ಟು time multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 2 3 and 4, and later next one 5. On that time when you are going to multiply 2 to the power of 5, the value will get as the 32. Clear this point here? 2 4s are 4, 2s are 8 here, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Clear this one? Okay, so this one is the, we need to make the multiplication, and later next one 1 into 2 to the power of 4, that means 1 2, okay, 3 and 4. So when you are going to multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Clear this one? So 4 time ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು multiply ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 16 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Plus here 0 into 3 times 2 into 2 into 2, correct no? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 2 to the power of 3 ಆಗಿದೆ. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Clear this one? So 4 2s are 8 here, plus 0 into, no any problem, 2 times, correct no? 2, that means this is called as the 2 times, 1 time 2 times. So 2 2s are 4 in this case here, 4 plus here 1 into, but you have to remember it, 2 to the power of 1 always 1 time only, 1 time. So the value 2 into 1 or 2 into 1, the value is 2 into 1 ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. So 2 plus and later 1 into 2 to the power of 0, as we know that the very important note, 2 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 0. Always the value is 1 only, the 1 plus, okay here, and later next one 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1. So ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, 2 to the power of minus 1, maybe 1 rupees is there, that means half, correct no? 2 to the power of minus 1, half means what's the, that means here we can say that 0.5, correct no? So 0.5, that means 50 paise in this case here, 0.5 here, and 1 into 2 to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of minus 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 2. So we got the result 0.5, 50 paise. Now 2 to the power of minus 2, that means 1 by 4. So 1 rupees ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0.25 paise, correct no? Here 4 times if you are going to divide the as a rupee 1 here, that means 0.25 here. So we can say that the value 0.25 plus, now last one representation is that is I am going to write it here, okay, 0 into 2 to the power of minus 3. So that is equal to 1 by 8. Clear this one? 1 by 8 here. So 0 into 2 to the power of minus 3. So 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. So 1 to the power of minus 8 here. That means 0.125. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, just only when you are going to divide here, that is the value is the 1 by 8, okay, 1 by 8 ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? 0.125, correct no? And later next one now 1 into 64, the value is 64 plus 0 into 32, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಓನ್ಲಿ, 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 into 16, the value is 16 here, 0 into 8, the value is 0, correct no? 0 into 4, the value is 0, 1 into 2, the value is 2, plus in this case here 1 into 1, the value is 1 in this case here, and later so 1 into 0.5, that means the value is 0.5 plus, and 1 into our 0.25, that means the value is 0.25 plus, and later lastly we can say that the value is here 0 into 2 minus 3, that means the value is 0 only. Correct? No? Maybe if any value will get the value, that means when you are going to multiply always the value is equal to 0 only. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ 1 by 8 ಗೆ. Clear this part here? 1 by 8 here. So when you are going to multiply 0 into 1 by 8, always the value is 0 only. Clear this one? The 0 value, and when you are going to multiply, the value will get as the, okay. Now let's the first thing about our 64 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1, 0.5 plus 0.25. So total value is the 83.75. Clear this point here? 83.75. As we know that binary to the decimal conversion, so we should write the base value. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ? ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? The answer of this question 83.75. Okay, and base of 10 here. So this is about our first question answer, the binary to the decimal conversion. As we know that the binary number 10100011 and fractional 110. Okay, so multiply each bit of binary number by its positional weight, add all the products. Okay, so clear to everyone? Okay, now this is the answer of our binary to the decimal conversion. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.